Hello everyone. Today we will start the sixth chapter, that is the computer storage. In this chapter we will mainly focus on the devices for storing data from the computer. Before that, here is a starter for you to do. So let's do it first. Match the items to their correct storage places. As you can see, there are two pictures, one of cupboard and the other is school bag, and we have to match the different pictures given below according to the storage places of them. So the first picture is of crayons. We store crayons in our school bag, so match it with school bag. The second picture is of a quilt, and we store it in the cupboard. The third picture is of a lunch box, and we used to store it in our school bag. Now the fourth picture is of a toy, and we store it in the cupboard. The fifth picture is of a painting brush and a palette, and we store it in our school bag. The sixth picture is of a t-shirt, and we used to store it in the cupboard. The last picture is of a pencil, and we used to store it in the school bag. So match each picture with their respective storage places. I am sure you were very excited during your last birthday party, and you definitely remember all the details related to that party. Have you ever thought how you are able to recall the details of any particular event like your birthday party? All the things we are able to remember in our daily life come from our memories. Whenever we need to recall any detail, we can just think and remember things from our memory. In the same way, a computer also has a memory. Whenever we need any information from the computer, we can get it from its memory. We use different storage places to keep our things safe. As you have seen in the starting of the chapter, that there are many things at our home for storing our objects. When you go to school, your mother packs some food for you. Where does she keep the food? Yes, in the lunch box. So, the lunch box is a place for storage of food. Where do you keep your clothes or toys once you have finished playing? You use an almirah or cupboard for storing your clothes and toys to keep them safe. So, almirah is the storage place for clothes and toys. Similarly, you store pencils, eraser, and sharpener in a pencil box. You carry your books in your school bag. A computer needs to store a lot of information so that it can perform many different functions. Hence, storage of information is very necessary for a computer. So, a computer also has a storage area for storing our work. Our work files are kept under various devices known as storage devices. We can store our files, images, songs, etc. in it. Let's learn about some popular storage devices one by one. Hard disk. Hard disk is the main and largest storage device in a computer. It is fixed inside the computer. The other storage device is compact disk or CD. It is a round disk. It is used for storing letters, drawings, stories, games, videos, songs, etc. in it. It is cheaper than the other storage devices of a computer, and we have to insert a CD inside the computer for storing our work. Now, pen drive. Pen drive is also known as a flash drive. A pen drive can be kept in a pocket. It has more storage space than a compact disc. It is a small pen shaped device that is used for storing and transferring data. It is also inserted inside the computer for viewing, storing, and transferring files. You must have seen a small chip inside a mobile phone. This small chip is called a memory card. It is used for storing photos, songs, videos, and data. This device can also be inserted inside a computer. So, children, now you all are aware of various storage devices and their functions. Now, try to do some work on your computer and save it in these devices. Now, it's time to say goodbye.